Welcome back guys. So in this tutorial we will be learning what is Burp Suite and how to use it. Now it is one of the favorite tools of all the hackers. So what it essentially is, Burp Suite is actually a client side proxy tool. So for example, whenever you send a request, let's say you search something on Google. So that request goes from client side to the server to fetch the resources. However, what Burp Suite does is Burp Suite comes in between and stops the packet somewhere in the middle. So client basically sends the packet towards the server and Burp Suite intercepts that packet in between. It doesn't let go of that packet to the server. Now, how is it useful? It is useful because any attacker, which is us, can change that request and then send it to server so that server can give us some critical information. Now it will be more clear when we see the demo. Let's dive right into it. So basically there are two major versions of Burp Suite. One is the free version, which is known as Community Edition, and the other one is Burp Suite Pro. So here we have the Burp Suite Community Edition. If you don't have it on this bar, you can simply click here and search for Burp Suite. You will get the result. You can right click, add to favorites, add to desktop, whatever you want. So we have currently added this Burp Suite to this panel. So simply click it. Now, so we'll close this, and these options are disabled because they are available on Burp Suite Pro version, which is paid. So there are a lot of features in Community Edition also, and there shouldn't be any problem. However, Burp Suite Pro has much advanced features. So for the time being, we'll continue with the free version, which is the Community Edition. Click on Next and you'll start Burp. So this is what the interface looks like. We will discuss the function of each tab in a while. So for that, we need to do certain steps beforehand. Let's do that. Visit Firefox. Now what you have to do is click these three lines that you are seeing, which is the menu option. Next, go to Preferences. And here you have to search for Proxy. Click on Settings. Select Manual Proxy Configuration and enter this particular IP, which belongs to our local host 127.0.0.1, and give the port as 8080 and click this icon. So it should be a tick. Next, if there is anything written over here, simply delete that. So these are our current settings. Now click OK. And in another tab, visit HTTP burp. So something like this will appear. Click on CA certificate. We have to download this certificate. I'll tell you the reason why. So we have to save the file. Okay. Yeah. Let's try to visit Google now. So you can see this error being generated. What does it say? So basically it is nothing but a certificate error. So our Burp Suite is trying to interfere with the request. So Google says, I don't trust this certificate. It is not secure. Because someone else might be trying to, listen to the request that you are sending. So what we have to do, we have to manually add the certificate to our browser so that Google has trust on it. So what we will do, we have downloaded the certificate. Now we have to import it. In the same settings, go to Certificate, View Certificate, and here in the Authorities tab, click on Import. Next, we have to install the certificate that we just downloaded. Click on Open. Both the tick marks should be there and select OK. Okay. Now let's try to open Google. So whatever request we sent, it got intercepted in Burp Suite. This is how a request actually looks like. I will further explain what everything of this means, but for now, this is the request that we are sending. Okay. So intercept is off. So these were the steps that you need to follow in order to set up Burp Suite with your browser.